I think I'd be a pig. You want to hear my pig impression?
Yes.
Please, please.
Oh, wow.
And then wait, this is me getting in the mud.
Oh,
Pretty good.
wow.
That's good.
It's like the pig is in the room with us.
Can you do your most realistic horse neigh?
Oh my god.
Wait, that was really good though.
You're a certified horse girl with that name.
Do you want to hear my chimpanzee impression?
I want to hear you no matter what.
Oh, that was so cute.
Oh wow.
That was okay. It was chicken
That was
at
impressive.
first, but I also heard monkey.
Yeah. My monkey impression.
It was both. It was like
Wait, you want to hear my Minecraft cat impression?
yes.
please.
Where are you?
I did not do more work.
Oh, my Minecraft zombie impression.
Oh, that's so good. That's really good.
She's on
Do you
fire.
want to hear the impression of the guy who hit my car last summer?
Oh, what? Do it.
Yeah?
Okay, here I go. He's dead. That's the joke.
Yeah, he's definitely dead. I thought you were gonna start screaming. I'm not gonna lie.
No, you can't scream when you're out cold.
That's true. That's true. Or like just you duct tape
I
over
thought
the
it was
mouth.
gonna be
You know.
like. I don't know why, but I thought that's what I thought it was gonna like.
Yeah.
No. You girls think poorly. Why would I do that?
Where is everyone?
Why would I do that?
Crying.
Loki? I thought my hiding spot was kind of bad.
Yeah,
I think I'm blind.